I'm gonna show you how to cook our tortilla from Sabor. For that you need a small pan like this, which we're gonna sell it in our website. And if you don't have this pan, don't worry about it, because you can use maybe another one is slightly bigger. The only thing, the tortilla will be a little bit thinner, but you will do exactly the same that I'm gonna show you to do it, okay? For that you need 1 spoon of olive oil, any olive oil, just to help the tortilla to fry. You open it, then you're gonna pour it in. You make it flat, and you see how is the corners changing a little bit the color. With the lid, any pan lid, you will turn the tortilla just like that. With the spoon, you're gonna close it. You wanna eat the tortilla nice and runny in the middle. So with my fingers, I'm pressing down just to see how soft it is. It won't take more than 2 minutes. You see how it's almost there. For me, the tortilla is ready. That's how we serve it in Sabor. So I'm gonna plate it. Now, look at that. It's almost like a bed. It's just a little bit of white pepper on top. And I cracked a little bit of mild on sea salt. And for me, that is a perfect tortilla.